Hey guys, Mr. Golias here, and we are taking a look at Flipgrid. This is for the people who this is your first time doing a Flipgrid. So you're going to click on the link. You are going to log in with Google, and you'll select your Google account if you need to add it in, and then it just brings you in. You're right in, and you go down to the green button where you would hit record. Uh, Sometimes it'll ask for permission on the camera. Right now I would be ready to go. I just click the record button. It gives me my little countdown. I can say whatever it is that I need to say. When I'm done, I hit pause. Once I hit next, I can say whatever it is that I need to say. I can, make sure it's got everything I want in there. I hit next, like so. It's going to want a selfie. Ooh, serious one for me this time. If we are ever going to put in a sticker, we're going to make sure we can still at least see our face though. So maybe I'm going to put one over here for right now because I look so shocked we're out of it. I don't know which. I blame coronavirus. So hit next, and this will upload quickly. And just like that, you really don't even need to give any titles or anything. It already has your name. I hit submit one last time. Boom! We are done. And that's how you do it, guys. Good luck.